A problem esinayo la eSouth Africa ukuthi anyone and anybody feels ukuthi angenza noma yini eSouth Africa. ADA is known for that, for bringing ama-foreigner, ewanika ama-MP positions, ama-mayor, nabo Fandam, ngiyakhumbula bekunamunye uchair abathu Fandam. Yabathanda nayo lo wako Home Affairs bathi ubuye eZimbabwe. Mina I have a problem, you know, ngomuntu ozalelwe somewhere. Yabo makafika la bamnaturalize sekadlalile bafana because you are being replaced, and as South Africans I don't know ukuthi abayiboni leyo nto na, because if you bring these people bayashaya ngenamba inamba yethu incane and we don't reproduce at a faster rate, and these guys mabeza ngayi they occupy every sector. Laba ngakafiki khona bazofika one day, they will become judges, they will become police, they'll become Bafana players, they'll become actors, they'll become TV presenters because they've got children. Their children, banama ambition. They're not going to do one thing bonke one day. Bathengisa amatamati bonke. Abanye bangena kuma-spaza shops. Bangena kancane kancane. Before you know it, yabo. So kuyibo kuphela.
Lento ngiyibona izolo man.
And they bayankhipha ama-South African mabafika. They colonize space. Bheka ama-university. Uyako UNISA ko UJ mangono eyi1 waseZimbabwe ufaka abanye ubiza abanye ama-South African ahamba kancane kancane in the neighborhood. Once kwaba ne-Nigerian bayabaleka lebelungu angithi lezi nomsindo, hey Jesus. Hey, look at the nyash. I so hate it when South Africans refer to bums as nyash, you know. So abelungu yabona bayabaleka nathi siyabaleka, we can't sit next to them bona bayijwayele le field. Before they know it bathathe iKempton Park, bathathe iTerfontein, bathathe iRoodepoort, bathathe iBenoni, bathathe iKlerksdorp, bathathe iDurban, bathathe iSandton, bathathe iRivonia. Thina sonke siyabaleka, we are squash la emikhukhwini silwa nabo Maputo. Yabo lezi eyiphua. Yeah, so before we know it, so a minority in our country, and ngapha ziya reproduce ke yabona bocheri bethu ke bayavula inyawo for ama-foreign uma ngalo ukuthi mfethu yaze eqaleni mfethu ukuthi ngini basekasi bangavuleli mfethu ibhadi yabona labo bocheri babizwa ngamati amahlabalazi bekwazi ukuthi labantwana bayakuphuza baphuze umntana khona bekaphuza mosathi uthi bekala uthi toilet gone. Laba bamanje laba babiza ngama-slay queen and bacabanga ukuthi bangcono kunalaba bebabizwa ngamati. Laba ama-slay queen, they even give them babies. Mfethu, every nation protect its woman folk. So, every nation they protect their woman folk because they understand ukuthi mfethu the womb, you know, it's a manufacturing factory for the next soldiers. I mean labo Nigerian, half Zimbabwe, half Nigerian. They are loyal to their fathers. Most of the time. So bestila nabi intwana zethu so bezilwa nabi ekolweni iba bathatha space. So these guys eventually they will take over. They will become judges. They will become lawyers. They will become doctors. Abanye baza ngama-fake qualifications. They will become university chancellors, rectors. Everywhere, every sector, like they did ngaboma blue collar jobs, things that we used to have. So we are being replaced kancane kancane. So abo Pan-Africanist woke abayiboni lezi zinto lezo. Baloko bathi no guys, we are all Africans. No, these guys mabeza la baza nge-agenda. Nigerians, where do they work? Have you ever had a Nigerian when we are all Africans? A Nigerian sees a 17-year-old, 12-year-old and prostitute that child. When you can't think like that. Another thing phakathi kwakho unembeza ukuthi sanomntana omuntu lo mntana noma bamfuna kubo kuthini kuwo. Nigerians don't have that. They sell their sisters. I mean i-business ama-Nigerian njengoba bathi baya-investa ini ngama-drugs. What is the multinational yase-Nigeria, company enkulu yase-Nigeria efana nabo Pick n Pay, Vodacom yase-Nigeria kwaziwayo? Because even in Nigeria those things they don't own them, you know, akusezabo. So Tina, we are loose silahlile and we believe gobo Thomas Sankara ukuthi we are all Africans. Even Abu Sankara they never said do away with borders. Kwame Nkrumah never said do away with borders. They embraced these colonial borders, and we've had borders even before the Berlin Conference. I mean bekwazi ukuthi usenza ngakhona uphelela la ngaliqala usikhukhuni. We are divided kunemingcele. So manje labo woke abathi there is no foreigner in Africa.
And it's available for you. Most of them mhlambe